This Dora dotey baby playpen offers a generously sized enclosed area that comfortably fits toys and a playmat, giving babies and toddlers plenty of room to move while staying contained. The foldable panel design lets you adjust the shape and footprint of the play yard so it can fit different rooms and can be packed down for storage or travel when not in use. Its combination of thick steel tubing and durable fabric panels along with strong suction bases makes the structure feel reassuringly solid and resistant to tipping or sliding. Softly padded top rails and corners, along with breathable mesh sides, help protect against bumps while still allowing clear visibility and airflow so you can easily keep an eye on your child. The built-in door with an external zipper means adults can step in and out without climbing over, while still preventing little ones from unzipping it and wandering off on their own. Thoughtful extras like the standing assist loops and the tall side height support babies who are learning to pull up and cruise, turning the playpen into a safe mini practice zone for early walking.